Welcome back to Retro Bytes. Let's have a super chill, laid back, relaxed episode today. I dug deep into my collection and pulled out this old relic. It's the Compaq Presario 5440 from late 1999, about 20 years ago. This PC was featured alongside its bigger brother, the 5834, in the December issue of PC Magazine's article, A PC for Every Budget. The Presario 5440 was in the $800 category. It didn't win the Editor's Choice Award for its category, nor did it win any other awards. It did, however, receive the distinction of having the lowest scores in CPU and GPU benchmarks of all the PCs they tested. So the Compaq Presario 5440 was a cheap, unloved PC for its time. But many of you know that even the worst PCs of the 90s gave us some of our fondest memories. In 1999, I was still using my IBM PC350, which I'd upgraded to a 233MHz Pentium MMX and Matrox Millennium graphics. Still, I would have loved to have this pile of junk. In 2000, my family upgraded to the ancestor of this machine, a Compaq Presario 5000 series with a 800MHz Celeron. I don't know what became of that PC, but I continued on with my IBM PC350 for some time even after we bought the Compaq. Time has not been kind to this Compaq. The cheap plastic has discolored, and tabs on one of the covers have broken off, revealing the flimsy chassis underneath. A distinct layer of grime has found its way into every possible crevice, and one or two arachnids have made their home here. Honestly, I'm not even sure if this boots. Since it came into my possession, I've never turned it on. So what the heck? Let's turn it on and see what happens. That's a good sign. Ooh, it's booting. A minute later, and we're at the desktop. You know what? This might be the factory install of Windows. The PC Mag article said that these shipped with Microsoft Works and McAfee software. Yeah, all of the Compaq bloatware is here. Cool. Ooh, there's something in the CD-ROM drive. Mighty Math Zoozillions and Thinkin' Things Frippletown. This sounds like the sort of thing LGR would be interested in. Okay, I'm going to shut down this system and see what makes it tick. Alright, the motherboard has been liberated. Here's the CPU cooler with not as much dust as I expected. The north bridge, complete with saggy heatsink. There's a 64MB PC100 DIMM, south bridge, and expansion slots. Ooh, ISA. Check it out. RAM can be soldered to the motherboard. You thought Apple was the only one to do that. Let's have a look at the CPU. Of course, the heatsink has become one with the CPU. Apart you come. And here it is, the venerable AMD K6-2, 450MHz. I had a friend in high school with a K6-2 and I was always jealous. Look at this. I'll clean this heatsink up. Okay, let's talk plans. I'll be honest, I don't like the Compaq. I don't trust the tiny power supply. I'm not interested in the case. I never had a K6-2 system, but I've always wanted one. So I'm going to build one up. Not only that, I'm going to make an interactive build. I'll take your help choosing case, storage, audio, and video cards. All of this is to come on the channel, so subscribe if you're interested in seeing that. Now, I'm not going to throw out the Compaq. I'll put the empty shell back on the shelf and let it grow old. In the future, if I'm so inclined, I'll be able to put the system back to stock, but for now, it's time to build an awesome Windows 98 rig. Thanks for watching RetroBytes. Take care.